Welcome to AccuWeb Cloud. Let's see how CI/CD works. Everything starts when a developer writes code and pushes a commit to GitHub. The moment code is pushed, a CI/CD tool like GitHub Actions or Jenkins automatically starts the pipeline. First, the pipeline builds the application by installing dependencies and preparing the code for testing. Next, automated tests run to make sure the code works correctly. If any test fails, deployment stops immediately. Only when all tests pass does the pipeline continue to deployment. Otherwise, the code goes back to the developer for fixes. After approval, the CI/CD pipeline automatically deploys the new version to cloud servers so users can access it immediately. That is CI/CD, faster releases, fewer mistakes, and fully automated software delivery.